But just for the video purposes, I wanted to show you guys what it looked like. I just freaking bats, you know? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice. Please subscribe if you like seeing vlog content, lifestyle content, school content. I'm doing all of it. Today I'm going to be doing a decorate with me, or how I decorate for Halloween. That's why we got this flannel on. American Eagle has the best fall stuff. This is where I got this plaid coat from. It's very spacious. I love fall. Actually, October 1st today, I promised my roommate, I was like, I'm gonna wait till October 1st, but when you come home, things may be a little different. First thing I want to start off with is this blanket, which I bought from Target, $10, just a standard throw blanket. I'm going to be putting this on our couch. We just got a new couch actually from Bob's Discount Furniture. If y'all haven't checked that out, if you don't know what it is, you're sleeping on it, because they have amazing couches, and we were really satisfied with everything that we got, which we only got one couch, but satisfied with the way that they did the delivery, and they didn't make a big mess or break anything, which is also nice. First thing we're gonna do is put this throw on the couch, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so I just wanted to show you our couch quickly, because I'm gonna end up showing you obviously the throw. We normally in our apartment hang the throw over the side, but just for the video purposes, I wanted to show you guys what it looked like. I just freaking bats, you know? Now that the Halloween throw is taken care of, which you know that's like the beginning of the decorating, I am going to show you guys my bin. What do I mean my bin? My roommate's worst nightmare. She's not a Grinch, she's just not big on decorating. She's like, you can handle that, I'll do everything else. I'm like, amazing. So, it's small, but we got a lot in here. See what I saved from last year. That I just broke off the handle. Ooh! I am going to put this on the door. I remember I had this sign, I loved it in my other apartment. We love a simple sign, you know? I'm gonna show you guys the things that I'm going to use first, and then I'll show you where I decide to place them. This was from Target. Right now, Target has a lot of things like this, where you could just put a command strip up, hang it up, you're good to go. The next thing we've got, hand towels. This was also from Target. It came in a 2-pack, which they normally do when you buy them from Target, like any holiday hand towel type set. And I bought these, I bought most of this stuff, like honestly last year after Halloween ended, because they had so many deals on all the Halloween stuff. Looks like the last hand towel I have, which also says Happy Halloween on the bottom, just very festive things. This is from Bath & Body Works. It is a ghost hand sanitizer protector, or holder, not protector, but it also can protect it, I guess. I am definitely going to be using this as per COVID. This was also from Target. I feel like a lot of these things are from Target. It's just how it goes. It just says Hello Autumn, and it is a fake plant, obviously, but my roommate actually loves plants, so I think this will fit perfect, probably on the table, on the kitchen table. Let's see. This is going in the bathroom. This was from Bath & Body Works. Just so cute. Owls, and we love a good smelling bath. Another thing about me, I really like pops. I think they look very cute in the home. Not an excessive amount, but just certain ones I do enjoy. I have a Jack Skellington pop, and I also have another Jack Skellington pop. They will be placed in 2 different places. I'm sure you could find still Jack Skellington or the Corpse Bride pops at, you could do Target, Hot Topic, Box Lunch. Those are my main go-tos when I buy pops. Ooh, this is falling. This I will be putting on my desk. It's just a cute little ghost, and I got a container for this at, I believe it was the Container Store. They have so many things if you want to get lost. Perfect things. These I did use last year. We love a good Halloween light. I'm not sure where I can put these, but how cute are they? They light up, they can stay lit, and it just goes by the button here. I honestly kept them off a lot, but they were nice to hang up. We got some fake pumpkins that are still cute. A little Oogie Boogie Man. Some more ghosts, just for spooky purposes. A tombstone, again, spooky purposes. Final two pieces I have. This was from the Hide Eek line from Target, which is still going on, and they have plenty of things similar to this. And I just got a haunted house. If you look closely, you can see there's like a little pumpkin at the bottom. Okay guys, now I'm going to set all of this stuff up, and I am going to show you guys where I placed everything in my apartment after I'm done. Okay, let's get to it. Okay guys, so I just finished up. The first thing that I hung was the sign on the apartment door, and as you can see, I'm going to walk in, but I just love how neutral it is, and I never had like a brown door to put it on, and I think it looks so cute. Now when you walk in, my roommate actually had this first. It's just a 3 mini story unit shelving. It's so cute. I actually just redid it anyway and cleaned it up. This is the top shelf. I like the cactus thing in the background just because my friend really loves plants, and I don't know, I just like to have like a piece of her still on her own shelving. And then underneath here I have the Jack, and I have a little ghost, and I have a Pez ghost, which I got that from Target just a couple of weeks ago, I think 2 weeks ago. Look at that thermometer there. We have a big thing of Purell and wet wipes just for when people come into the apartment if they want to or feel the need to. We also recommend it anyway because we don't obviously want to catch COVID. This is what the walk-in setup looks like. And then when you come up here, you see the lights. So obviously the tape job isn't that great. It's the only tape that I have, but it works, and we're not picky people. I love the lights. It'll obviously look a lot better at night, but they're special. I never had an opening so big to cover. I only had like a little window that I had it on in my last apartment, so maybe I'll get more lights, maybe not, but it's not a big deal. The next thing we have here is my desk. I decided to put the ghost on it. The light is hitting it really weird, but I decided to put the ghost on it next to my fall candle and my little Snoopy that's from Hallmark holding a candy corn, and my little ghost hand sanitizer holder. I haven't found a hand sanitizer yet for it, but I will. Now this is also part of an end shelving situation as well. I decided to put the haunted house with this other haunted house. I may move it. It kind of seems overwhelming, but for now I'm just gonna leave it. I like the Jack in front of it with the tombstone. For reference, this is just what the corner looks like. Obviously haven't found a place for that yet, but we have our TV up here, so I just think that's satisfying to look at. Looks very clean. I also bought these a few weeks ago. This was at Target. It's just a skeleton bird. I bought these at Trader Joe's, this one, and that one, and they're just very spooky vibes, but also they fit in with my roommate's plan. We've been really loving them. Personally, never had a planned area, but it kind of gives the apartment life, and I really like it. Now, these are 2 little areas in the kitchen. These 2 guys are just my absolute favorite, I think, so far. They're from Target. They're selling them now. They were only $5 a piece, and they're very sturdy. If you could see, they're just Oh, so cute. And they fit so well in between this like spooky looking melted candle. I have the other mini ghost hookup right here. We don't have a blind yet, so the light up will actually help at night. I know this wasn't really like part of the setup in the beginning where I showed any of this, but this is my roommate's bar cart-ish. It's not a bar cart, it's just like a wine holder slash setup. I can't even think of the name right now. She holds all of her wines here, so I added a little touch of me. And this is from Target. It's a glass plate. And I have my paper plates also from Target, and this little mason jar that's saying boo. And I got these, the ghost and bats, from Trader Joe's. They're really delicious. For the final part of my bedroom, I just have two areas I wanted to show you in my room that I really like. These little guys are all from Target, and this is my spooky ghost. If you guys don't know what a tiny ghost is, they have their own website. Now this corner set is by my bedroom window, and it is just a copy of the Hocus Pocus and the all-new sequel. I bought it last year. As you can see, the post-it is still flapping out because I haven't finished it. I plan on doing that, but you know how graduate school goes. It is just a trip. These two Funko Pops are from Box Lunch, I believe. Those came out this year. I just love a good Mickey and Minnie duo. In here, I have my Halloween Hobbit hole. Okay guys, so you've reached the end of my video. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little Halloween decorate with me. It really put me in the mood for fall, and I'm hoping that it gets cooler because, as you can see, I'm sweating. It is so humid in New York. I still have the air conditioning blasting most of the time. Please, fall, come soon. We missed you. Please, again, if you like this video, like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Where are you guys getting your Halloween decorations this year? Mine clearly seems like I've got a Target theme. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.